Hey, happy Sunday, everybody. Thank you and come again. We are up in Valencia and Apalong at the Sheitan Ridge View. This is not good right here. 288 meters to Sheitan Ridge View. Enjoy your hike, thanks. And the road is pretty rough. So we're gonna try this. All right, first I want to point out though, Chi is rocking her Rabbitin Rabbit Adventure Starts Here t-shirt, and Zoe is rocking her rabbit dress. Although at this point with her weight gain, it looks more like a rabbit shirt. Hey, you ready? Going up the hill. All right, good luck to us. Here we go. You notice husband is carrying neither the diaper stuff nor the baby.
Daddy, I'm so exhausted.
Tired? Throwing bubbles? Yeah?
I'm okay.
Oh, what is the name of that fruit, the red one? Ramblon?
Rambutan.
Rambutan.
Yeah.
Can I stand?
Very sweet.
Very sweet like you? Trying to stay on a good side today. Okay, looks like they got some construction going on. Wow. I told you, 288 meters.
If you're tired, just tell me.
That's a cool house.
It's an adventure.
They got, yeah, it's an adventure. 288 meters.
Exercise.
We might take the easy ride back. Yeah. Oh, 240 meters, sorry. We've only gone 48 meters so far. Ooh, nice view already. Yeah, it's a nice area. This is up to the west of Dumaguete, and it's temperate, it's cooler, but it also rains a lot more. And I can only imagine what this road is like when it's raining. Huh? Oh, picture? Yeah, we should have called for the easy ride. Huh? I don't know if the Tucson would have made it up here.
You still okay?
Ooh, walk. You okay, Zos?
She's okay.
Hey.
She's okay. She's like that.
Carry me! Huh, look at this. You don't need air conditioning up here. 80 meters to Sheitan Ridge View, hike Pa more. And it looks like a rough last 80 meters. And got a cool little cliff right here with lots of bananas. Oh my God, it's banana heaven. And there's Dumaguete, way off in the distance. The city of gentle people. Yeah.
Hi, Daddy.
What do you think, Zoes? Pretty cool, huh? Blowing bubbles. Oh, bananas everywhere. This is monkey heaven. Rough road. Almost there. Okay, we made it. We're finally at the top. And everyone's taking a much deserved rest. So tell me about your first memory again, because we were saying that Zoe's not going to remember this. What was your first memory?
The horse winked at me.
A horse winked at you?
Yeah.
Because he was a horny horse?
And I told Papa about it.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I got home, I got a fever.
So you got sick from the horny horse that winked at you. How old were you?
5 or 6 years old.
And that's your earliest memory?
Yeah.
Janice, what's your oldest memory?
I don't know. I can't. Oldest.
It's so long ago for all of us.
Yeah, of course, because I'm old.
Zoe, you're not going to remember any of this, but that's okay. We'll have it all on video to embarrass you in front of your friends. Alright, so we're at the top here. They just came up with us and they still have a whole lot of energy. Oh, to be young again. Alright, so I got information desk, grand view deck, seating area, comfort room, flowers for sale. I have no idea how you'd get them down the mountain. I guess you'd have to get the multi-cab. That's how we might actually go down. We might do that. So again, this is because, oh wow, here I am not even paying attention to what's going on. Okay, so yeah, that's up there. It looks very nice. Very nicely landscaped, manicured. That must be the ride down. We're probably gonna take that. So yeah, we're gonna check this out. Come along. Come with us. Because this is Chichai's 1 day a week, her furlough, where she gets out of the house with Zoe, who now's head looks like Tweety Bird's. It's all cheeks and jowls.
She's exhausted.
She's tired from walking. It was such a long walk. Photos. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere.
The best view comes after the hardest climb.
The best view comes after the hardest climb. Yeah, I like that.
It's like our relationship.
Yeah, yeah.
Been friends on for 3.
Yes, she's reminding me again how I got friend zoned 3 times when we first met. Never gonna live that one down. Very nice flowers. Very nice. With the amount of rain they get up here, you really need these nice paving stones. Hello. Hey, toy. Kumusta? Whew. Oh. I think they're gonna be doing pictures. So adults, 25 pesos per head. Campers, 60 pesos per head. I guess you can camp here. Children, seniors, that's me and Zoe, free. Cool. Dumaguete. Alright, well the ladies are ordering some food. Let's take a quick tour. Let's look around. Got a CR, nice CR, very nice. Good job. We just gotta start with the best, the CR. We got a little pool of water here with a bridge that's prominently marked with safety markings. And you can also stay here. And it looks like they got 2 little places you can stay at. Yeah, so if you need a night away from Dumaguete, you got a little picnic table over here. You got your sink over there. You got a barbecue pit, I guess, if you want to do some barbecue. And the accommodations are rather Spartan, as in very Spartan. It's just a little nipa with a fan and a mattress and a couple pillows. So if you need a night away from Dumaguete, a quiet, or if the wife has kicked you out for your philandering ways, come check this out. Take a couple of days and enjoy the ambiance. I'm gonna quit using ambiance so much. You got a pool table if you want to play some pool. Playing pool with a view of Dumaguete City. Yeah, food doesn't look bad. And I got binoculars in case you want to binoc. Oh, cool. Now we're gonna go up to the grand viewing deck. There's a nice little eating area right out here. Let's go up here. Off limits, authorized personnel only. Grand viewing deck is closed, no trespassing. And the reason they told me, because I guess that used to be the grand viewing deck up there. I think that's somebody's house now. They bought it. So this is the grand viewing deck right now. It's, you know, it's nice. I don't know if I call it grand, but it's pretty cool. And you got a nice breeze coming in. I'm sure you can hear it. Siquijor off in the cloudy distance. The city of Dumaguete laid out before us. Sibulan over there. And of course, the island of Cebu. And this is a nice little stop. Nice little adventure. And I'm chewing gum again during a video. I'm sorry, people. Someday. Actually, now that we're up here, on November 13th, just I think it was Friday, I celebrated my 7th year in the Philippines. I've been here 7 years. And I've been vlogging for like 6 of those years, and you would think that after 6 years of vlogging, I would have learned to take gum out of my mouth. But for some reason, that is beyond my ken, and probably beyond mortal ken. I still can't seem to figure out, to remind myself, to take the freaking gum out of my mouth. Why is this dog barking at me? Alright. So, there's just that. So, happy 7-year anniversary to me living in the Philippines. Alright, let's go find the woman. Find my child. Hello. Mind if I join you, ladies? Adventures are best when they're shared. I got condensation on the lens earlier. I don't know how much of that video came out good. Hey Zoe, how you doing? Hello.
Great.
How are you? Tweety bird.
We're gonna take a pictures
Picture?
on the heart paper. 3 of us.
On the what?
Heart on the heart sign there.
There's a cart?
Heart.
Oh, on the heart. Okay.
Okay.
After 7 years in the Philippines, you'd figure I'd know the accent by now. Zoe, you gonna be a vlogger?
Hell no. No, I don't want to be a vlogger.
Alright, we're actually going out to eat after this to an Asian fusion restaurant up in Valencia that JP, Juvie, recommended to us. But the ladies were hungry, so they picked up some French fries and chicken wings. This is 195 pesos. So they're gonna eat that. The most important part of the day was getting the photos. Zoe, you ready? Zoe, life lesson. All good things must come to an end. So we gotta go. It's time to go. We're gonna go get some food. Alright, so this is Sheitan Ridge View. It's pretty nice. Check it out. If you're up in Valencia, you need to get somewhere nice and cool and groovy. A nice view of the city. Come up here and chillax. It's very nice. Very nice indeed. Alright, so we're gonna go down the mountain now. And some more photos. We'll see you next time on my Philippine dreams.
I wish I could grow a plant.
Yes, Chicha is on a quest to get succulents, those little plants. Because every time she tries to grow plants, they die. And I think the reason... Why does that happen, hon?
Because I always forgot to.
You forget to water them and they just shrivel up and die.
Is this a bonsai?
I don't think so. It could be made into a bonsai though. What? Oh, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, it's
Your best friend.
those are the garden spiders. They kill a lot of mosquitoes and stuff.
And
But
cockroach.
I'm still scared of them. And cockroaches, yes. Alright. Time to go down the mountain and not slide to our death. Remember, Janice, if you fall on your back. You gotta be Zoe's airbag. Even though at 6.5 kilos, she's basically her own airbag at this point. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.